Change. What is with this change, man? I'm gonna try to discuss this word or my thought process as quick as I can. I've been thinking about change maybe because we've been traveling around not Australia. We've been traveling around Thailand again. We're moving places to places every 3 days, every 4 days. And yeah, it's stressful, but it's lots of fun. I really recommend it. Change, funny enough, is the only thing that is constant in our life. Whatever you do, there's always going to be change around you. And people are afraid of it. People are afraid of change, the chaos that it brings in their life. But what if this chaos, this change, it's actually the thing that you need? Or maybe that's why I'm thinking about this word that much, because in 2 months or 3 months, I'm gonna have to go back again to the stability that we all know. But I'm not gonna beat around the bush that much. What I really want to say and to impart to you guys is, if you're thinking about that change that you need in your life, probably change of work, especially if you hate it, especially if you complain about it a lot, do it. If you're in that place that you hated, you want a change of scenery, just do it. Just encourage you guys. But disclaimer, as long as everybody is covered. What I mean is, if you have a family, everybody's eating, especially if you have kids, as long as everybody's eating, that's it. If you're a couple, just do it. You can work it out. But if there's little kids, it's gonna be hard for them. So that's disclaimer. I'm not telling you guys to just pack it all up and go. Consider other people too. But if you are in that position, you have to be honest with yourself. You have to self-reflect on this. If you are in that position that you can do it, but you are just afraid to do it, I'm a living testament. Just do it. Very quickly. Coming from Philippines to Australia was really hard. A lot of change, a lot of money that I have to put out. Change of culture, change of language, even the work system is different. I have to suck it up, just have to do it because I know that change is gonna level me up. And it did. I've been in Australia for around 10 years now. Obviously, I'm in Thailand at the moment. But it gave me that stability that I needed to do the chaos again. Hence, I'm here. Like what I said, just make sure that everybody's covered, everybody's provided, and just do it. Just encourage you guys to, just think about it. What if the chaos is actually the thing that we need? It's fun to be stable from time to time, but you only live once. If you are in that position that you can create chaos in your life, why not? And I'm telling you, it's gonna be fun. So let's go.